Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the, does it look blurry? I think it looks, Capricorn, you know how to say it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. Please people, I understand that you like to, and I understand regardless of fucking you. But I just want you guys to know that you need to strap up, okay? Babies are expensive. STDs do stress you the fuck out. And I mean, nobody wants to get pregnant in this weather. Okay, so anyways, please strap the fuck up. Capricorn, how are you? I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Capricorn, this is your channel song. Cause you don't know me like sing here. Cause if tarot no work out, I bet you say I'm a ton singer. I fucking bet you I need to make sure them scout me from here. Every other moment I'm awake, every other hour, every day I love how you take my breath away. In your arms I'm safe, secure, every care around me melts away. When you hold me, I forget every word that I wanted to say. I am really lost in your arms, there's no one else for me. I surrender completely. Oh no, my heart's racing, I'm shaking, caught up in the love I'm making. This is no ordinary love. Oh baby, your skin on my skin on, it's so good I feel like crying. This is no ordinary love. I don't ever wanna say goodbye, I can never breathe, never survive. Baby, you're my reason why I believe there's meaning in my life. I have faith in love, faith in us, that always what's right. I surrender forever tonight. Oh baby, my heart's racing, I'm shaking, caught up in this love I'm making. This is no ordinary love. Oh baby, your skin on my skin on, it's so good I feel like crying. Capricorn, this is no ordinary love. So I'm getting something is no ordinary love, Capricorn. You love it until you're binded like the roar, until you're binded like the devil, okay? I pulled some card for you last night. Your message was the Fool card, cheating. So I don't know who took a I don't know who make a slip up. Me getting, you took a leap of faith and you cheated, you might get catch. But also the Fool card and cheating, that was your message. Now we're going to go into your birth chart tarot spread. Let us go. We're looking at all the planets, all areas of your life. Yeah, Betele. That's what it is. Oh, what's up? Let's go. All right, let's see what your self-image is, Capricorn. Your self-image is you're a Jewish person. That's what your self-image is. Going around telling people you're a guy. Going around telling people, oh, I'm Capricorn. You forgot to say you're Jewish. That holds like the most fucking weight. Did you not know this? I don't know what the fuck you were thinking. You're not helping your community, right? What the fuck, okay? So I'm getting Capricorn, you're Jewish, that's your self-image. You see yourself as a Jewish person, you are a Jewish person. I'm getting some type you don't wear a kippah, but you're Jewish, believe me. The bank account will state it. Okay, so what is your value? The Four of Cups. You like to drink though, or you value liquor, you value off time, you value leisure when you're not working. What is your communication? The Queen of Pentacles. So you might have Taurus in Mercury. Me getting even though you love them, said Jewish people love money, right? Even though you love money, it means you're gonna get tempted by money. Let them know that your Jewish mother did not open her legs because your father did offer her money. No. She opened her legs to the right one who wed her. Where is your Torah? Right? That's what the fuck she did. So even though you come out to be a working class man, your mother would never join this, or your mother never she did not lay down with anybody just because of money. It was her birthright. I'm just saying. I'm getting something about you and your mother. Your communication is the Queen of Pentacles. So you're talking to a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Alright, woman about something. About money, drinking, maybe offering them a job. Alright, while your home life is a High Priestess. Something about a Pisces or something about the psychic, medium, spiritual practitioner, tarot reader, occultist. You talk to your mother about this girl or about this man. Okay, maybe you want somebody to do a reading for you. What is your creativity? The Hangman. I'm guessing right now you don't have any inspiration or you're not exactly sure what you say. I'm getting you at work, but that's it. Your religion and your faith is two different things. You are under religion working, but you're getting your faith limited. You talk to your mother about it, or you talk to your mother about how come other people know about this? Aren't we the only one who's supposed to know about this? Getting your mom is like, no, sweetie, niggas was in Paris, and now niggas are in the Jewish system. Okay, so the Hangman, let's go. Your productivity is the Hermit, Virgo card. So I'm getting secrecy, hidden. I'm getting because you Jewish or your mother Jewish, there's a lot of secrets in a hide, obviously. Secrets and you can't just go out and tell people. But I'm getting one person know your secret. She might not be Jewish, she might be Catholic. And if she's not Catholic, she definitely ain't no Jew. She ain't no Monzo's eating girl. The fuck? She eating KFC. I'm joking, right? So I'm getting the Hermit is your creativity. I'm getting introspection, or I'm getting you like the occult. You're into the metaphysical world. One person might read tarot or do Reiki or the energy exchange or the palmistry. I'm getting, yeah, the Jewish. Who was that guy in the Jewish book, man? I won't tell you. What I was actually taught, the man, oh, I'm not Abraham. What is his name? I don't remember what name, but I'm getting the clothing man, the ghost, hermit, the Virgo, alright? So I don't know if you want somebody to join something with you, you want to learn about something, but I'm getting it's the occult. But I'm getting your people already know about these things. It's just that who the fuck let this person in? It's really the same people who let us into North America. It was the slave owners. Okay. So that is the creativity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, your productivity. Let's see what your partnership is. Your partnership is Libra. So I'm getting your partnership is great. Your partnership is at its home planet. Libra rules partnership, you have Libra, see, justice card. So I'm getting relationship, maybe you want to be in a relationship with somebody. So you're going to be like, mom, she's not Jewish, but she is an occultist. Does that work? I don't know what's happening. When we're getting, yeah, you look for a relationship, you talk to your mother about this. Or you want to see how greedy is somebody for money before you date them, and maybe that's what you're looking on. All right, inheritance is the Queen of Cups. We have another woman here. Now, I would assume that maybe this woman would be a mother. Your inheritance, them say the Jewish blood comes through the mother. Your inheritance is the Queen of Cups. So I'm getting a mother. So if that's your mother, I don't know who this is. So apparently this person is Jewish also, or she's a black Jew. Because this would be a mom for the inheritance. Maybe if you be with somebody who is not approved of, you don't get the inheritance. That's what you're worrying about. Your philosophy is the Queen of Swords. Okay, so I'm getting very, very strong communicator. Your mother is, or this woman is. I'm getting you want to be with a very, very strong communicator. I'm getting somebody very cerebral. Somebody the opposite of any woman you ever grew up with. Okay, what's your ambition? The Star card. So I'm getting you want to be a celebrity too, or you want to. A celebrity could be writing books, just displaying something, being a producer. I'm getting you want to work with somebody. You want to work with this girl. Don't mind you, you're Jewish. Her clothes is off. So it's either you're working with her, aiding her to take her clothes off. That's a narrative you want to do for you. Or I'm getting, this is who you work with now. You work with some scanty. You're working with some pretty scanty characters, some pretty infamous characters here you're working with. But I'm getting someone's a very, very strong communicator. So what they do for a living as a job, you might not even, when you approach them, that's not even how them speak. So I'm singing 1, 2, 3, 4 different women here. There's a star here. You talk to your mother. I don't know if you are trying to get a divorce right now or you're in separation from a water sign. But I'm getting you like this woman. She's a very strong communicator. And I'm getting she in the industry. I'm getting you in the metaphysical aspect. That's what I'm talking about. What's your inner self? No, what's your community? The Ace of Swords. So I'm getting the truth, honesty. Or you want to collaborate with this artist. They're nothing like you though. But I'm getting you want to collaborate with them. And your inner self is a lot of money. A lot of money. I'm getting if you collaborate with this person, it's a lot of money. I'm kind of getting Nick Jonas for some reason. Don't know why I want to say that. And that's what it is. We have internet. We got line. Why the line? We don't know why the line. We have FBI. We have LGBTQAI+. We have I've sold my soul. And one more. We got enemy. So it's either the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, your enemy, or something about a Libra. Something like that. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.